Kristen Boyd, double D windstorm DLD. June of 23, go at a walk, please. Go at a walk. Cherry Acres, class 93. Gated, go as you please. Show me your gait, please. Intermediate gait. Hop. Get him. Hop. You got this. Go. You're fine. Keep going. Squeeze. Better, 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 better. Show me your walk, please. Walk your horse. And reverse. Continue at a walk, please. This is go as you please. Continue at a walk. Show me your gait, please. Ride the glide. Hop. Come on, Normie. Hop. Hop. You're a good boy. Yes, 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 yes. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, Stormy. Go, 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 go. Hop. Now, get him. You're fine. He's fine. Keep going, 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 keep going. Don't worry about it. Keep going, keep going. Asking for more. Go, go, go. You're doing extra because he didn't behave. And walk your horse, please. I know, Stormy. The other one's where you stop. And halt. Back your horse 5 steps, please.